How to get cooperation. Principle 7, let the other person feel that the idea is theirs. Nobody loves it when they are told what to do. We really like to think for ourselves, to have liberty, and to act on our own thoughts. We prefer to be consulted about our opinions and desires. We have a stronger belief in ideas that we find on our own. As a result, instead of presenting a concept as your clever answer, offer a suggestion and let the other person draw their own conclusions. Allow them to claim credit for the idea if possible, since it will bring greater cooperation and commitment. Why should we worry about the credit if we're only interested in the results? Why not let others take the attention as long as we achieve our goals? From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 3, How to Win People to Your Way of Thinking. Subscribe, like, follow for more.